Hey guys, welcome to my product research method video. Okay, before we even carry on, let's do the first one. The first method that I'm gonna introduce to you. It's a free one, and it's a very easy one. If you are struggling with actually finding winning.
Okay, in this part, I just wanted to say finding winning products.
Let's just check it out. Okay, first things first. I just want you guys to make sure that you have Google Chrome and not the ordinary Internet Explorer. Okay, after you got your Google Chrome, just go and
Okay, guys, my bad. There's been a lot of background noises and everything, so I tried to record this multiple times. And yeah, I was actually saying that you should install the Turbo Ad Finder Chrome extension. Turbo Ad Finder Chrome extension.
Turbo Add Chrome extension. Turbo Add Chrome extension, right? Okay. To check out for, and then you're gonna find the first link. Just click on the link and then install this extension. You're going to see an icon. This is the Turbo Ad Finder, and then when you click on the icon,
Okay, I was just saying that it's gonna show you on and off bar. Yeah, just please keep it in mind.
So just turn it on. Just make sure it's on. When it's red like this, it means it's on. Right? Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, and then you go on to your Facebook feed, right? Okay, as the purpose of this Chrome extension, it's going to show you more ads on your feed and not just posts and all that stuff. It's going to show you more adverts than posts. So as you
Okay, I was just saying that as you can see on the right hand side, there's two ads being shown.
what you're gonna do is, okay, this is actually an ad. You're just gonna like, and then you're gonna click on the call to action, whatever the call to action is, on products that are being sold to you. You're gonna click on, and you're gonna go on their websites, and then you're gonna add to carts. Gonna add their product to cart, and then you're gonna go to the the checkout page, and you're gonna fill in as much of, right? So after you do that, Facebook is immediately gonna recognize you as a potential buyer, right? Someone that could have bought, right?
Okay, I just want to say that since Facebook sees that you're someone that's engaging and you're someone that actually clicks on websites, particular websites, they're going to see you as a potential buyer, and they're going to keep feeding you ads similar to that demographic
To your way. So now you see there's this pink part whatsoever, and this looks legit. Let's check it out. So the more you're gonna do this, actually I recommend that you do it at least 40 to 50 times if you are still doing product research for your store. And then another thing is, just keep in mind, I hope your Instagram is linked to your Facebook page, because purpose of that is it's gonna, okay, here's another ad that I'm being told. I don't know if you guys can. Right now I'm gonna click on the shop now. Just clicked on the shop now, and I like the ad. I clicked on the shop now. Okay, here, right? This nice product actually. Okay, I'm gonna add to carts. Right? I'm gonna go as far as I can. Actually, that's the whole purpose of this strategy. And even, yeah.
Okay, my audio is a bit fucked, but I just wanted to clarify that the strategy, you have to just keep adding to carts and then um going as far as you can with the buying process, and then you do it like from ad to ad, and that's how Facebook keeps feeding you more and more ads towards your way. So please just keep doing it on dropshipping ads in specific, um ads that you see are from things that you can get on AliExpress, etc.
I bounce off the sides. So I'm getting more and more ads targeted towards my way now. Okay, my network is quite slow. But yeah, now I'm in this, I don't know, they call it Rhino. See here, you can see, wait, it's just still loading. But yeah, you're gonna do this as many times as you can. Even this happy skin whatsoever. Let me just show you on the feed. Okay, here's another ad, Snapmaker. This is a, I don't know what it is actually. Oh, it's a printer. See, worldwide shipping. And then you're gonna click on the call to action again. Then you're gonna keep doing it over and over again. So you're gonna get more ads. Okay, I just clicked on the shop now here. Let me just see if I can get more ads. But you're gonna keep doing this because they're gonna keep engaging with those ads. Like you're basically gonna keep kind of like you are willing to shop, but you're not really shopping, right? Yeah, so that's the strategy. I'm not sure if there's more ads here. I don't know if these are, but you're just gonna keep scrolling. Yeah, but anyway, that's just the strategy, guys. Just keep doing that, and then till you find the product, like those wow products that you actually like, you just write the products down and choose between all those products that you've actually seen, and then choose the one that you think is going to work for you. And see also if you can find the products on AliExpress. That's how. But just make sure these are actually products that you can dropship, guys. It's not just like those high-end products. Let's just see what it is. Yeah, probably these people are dropshipping. These lights. Let's just see what else. What else can we get? Even this, they're probably dropshipping it. This project, it's like a mini project. These always do good every year. Okay, let me just move on to the next method. Okay, this is actually a paid method. This is a website. It's called DropPoint, right? This is the actual the websites. I can actually even I'm gonna drop a link in the description. Okay, so here on DropPoint, basically what they do is they've actually just made all these adverts that are shared amongst, that got like huge engagement already, and then this is actually just an easier way of you getting your winning products. Let's just check out a few. But yeah, it's a paid tool, guys. Please just note that I usually use this because it saves me a lot of time. And yeah, as you can see, there's products like these. It's usually dropshippers that you can find here. This is definitely a dropshipping product. I don't know what this class thing does, but yeah, you can click on the ad and then you can just click on the link and you can watch the video. Okay, there's more. Even this, I don't know, folding washing machine. Exactly. Things like these, they do wonderful. Look, 1.3 million views, 4.6 million thousand shares, 1.5 thousand comments. You see the engagement is crazy. So immediately you know, like, for them to reach this number of engagement, it already means that these products are definitely selling. So yeah, this is your point. I usually use this to find winning products, and then I choose from what I got here. Okay, you can even search like what niche maybe you wanna use. Let's say maybe I want to do the gym niche. They're gonna show me the gym. Yeah, as I was saying, these yoga products and everything, they usually do good, like, everywhere. So this is how you find the winning products. You can just choose the one, and then, like, these resistant bands. Okay, these are, I wouldn't really recommend selling them right now. Let me just see, what is this? A full function tension rope. Okay, let's go on AliExpress and see if we can find it. Just gonna go on AliExpress. Okay, it's gonna load. It's still loading. But yeah, let's just be patient. I'll just fast forward this part. Okay, as you can see here, I found this product on AliExpress. You see, it's very cheap actually. You can actually get it for. You can see, let's just do buy orders. Let's see buy orders. Okay, you can get it for. No, this is way too cheap. I don't think this is. Average, get it for less than $10. Less than $10, or it's say like $5. So yeah, let's just check. How much are these people selling for? Actually selling for. Just click on the link and. Okay, as you can see, yeah, these are the type of products that you can look out for. Products that are doing good, and then you can just take the products, and then you can test the products. So yeah, you can just keep testing those products, and yeah. So guys, yeah, these are 2 product research methods that I use. To me, it's very easy, and it's very it's better. Like, it's just the product research methods that I like to use. So yeah, guys, I appreciate you watching this video, and please subscribe and check out my previous content and everything. Also, another thing I'd like you to do is please just let me know, like, what type of videos you want me to release in the future. I'd appreciate that. Peace.